Highness will now progress to having the two anthems, where we'll start with the Kenyan anthem, followed by the East African anthem, before we progress with the rest of the program. The anthems. With your permission, Your Excellency, I request to remain standing as I now call on Major Imam Isaac Abdi Aziz to lead us in a prayer. Welcome, sir.